Looking for an amazing toner? Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY rice water toner right at home. It's super simple and only takes a few steps. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of uncooked rice, any variety will do, and 2 to 3 cups of water. Step 1. Rinse the rice. Take your 1 cup of rice and rinse it under cold water. This helps remove any dirt, impurities, or excess starch. Step 2. Soak the rice. Place the rinsed rice in a clean bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of water. Let it soak for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows all those good nutrients to seep into the water. Step 3. Strain the rice water. After soaking, strain the rice and collect the water in a clean container or bowl. And voila! You've got your rice water toner. For an extra boost, you can ferment the rice water. Just leave the strained rice water in a jar at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. When it starts to have a slightly sour smell, it's ready. Then, pop it in the fridge. Step 5. Store the rice water toner. Transfer it to a clean, airtight bottle or spray bottle. Keep it in the fridge and it'll last up to a week. Now, how do you use it? As a toner, just apply it after cleansing your face using a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your face. Let it air dry or pat it gently into your skin. Or use it as a refreshing face mist throughout the day. This DIY rice water toner is fantastic for brightening your skin, tightening pores, and providing hydration. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Catch you next time.